the making for many. The dream of seeing Wolverhampton Wanderers back in Europe realised. The novelty gives way to hope and expectation. The last 32 of the Europa League sees the visit of the team of Spain's La Liga. Espanyol, like Wolves, finished 7th last season. Only one defeat in the last 7 in all competitions. Historically, they haven't lost outside of Spain in their last 13 matches. Coutinho, the step of right footed. Just one in it, and Jota is the man who's going to claim it. Molyneux is alight again. Diogo Jota celebrates. Wolves 1, Espanyol 0. Side of Digi D'Agostino, now delivering a lovely cross, just too high for Jimenez. Headed away by Gomez. Neves brings it down on the volley. Oh, you must be kidding me! Ruben Neves has just struck a sensational goal into the far corner to double Wolves' advantage on the night and in the tie. It's another that you will want to see again and again and again. Ruben Neves is just an incredible footballer. Lovely football from Wolves again. Coutinho falls to Jota, up towards the edge of the box. Jota drifting, Jota striking, Jota scoring. It's another Europa League hat-trick for Diogo Jota. Wolves have a 4-goal lead in the tie. It's a dream for him, it's a dream for Wolves, it's a dream for all those